So here we are on Ladypool Road, Birmingham, with a nice moon in the sky, and the usual nutters on the road with their loud engines. Hi, thanks for tuning in. So this video is all about my trip to Shababs here. It's my 4th trip and I'm ready to eat. So you immediately get served, without being asked, some poppadoms and some chutney. And as you can see by this can of Heineken, it's bring your own booze, which is always good. So in quite usual Balti house tradition, glass table topped, and quite often the menu is under the glass, so it lasts a long time and it's really practical. So you're actually eating on the menu, which is covered by the glass. Not sure if anybody saw this clip on YouTube, but the Heavy Bikers were here some time ago, and they went into the back of the kitchen and watched a Balti being cooked in about 6 minutes from scratch. So this is my 4th visit to this restaurant. So we're in Balti heaven. So home of the traditional Balti, as they say here, but I think there's about six restaurants that can claim genuine Baltis that are cooked in a Balti pan and brought to the table in a Balti pan. There's loads of restaurants in the UK and elsewhere that say they're cooking, well, they have a Balti on the menu, but it's not cooked in the Balti. Why, aye man. So this is the Hairy Bikers chicken Balti, straight off the menu there. Fries, that's going to accompany the mixed grill that my mate's waiting on. Got the Chana Balti, try and get it without the shadows, nice and sizzled around the edges, and a king prawn Balti, again really nice and sizzled. And my number one go-to bread anytime I'm in a restaurant, because really hard to cook that at home, even using the naan method, tandoori roti. I've got 2 of those, nice wholesome portions there. And here we go with the mixed grill sizzler, and that looks really delightful, doesn't it? That's a meat eater's feast. Got all different types of meat on there. Wow. So here's the spread in its entirety, and I haven't eaten all day just to savour the flavour, so let's tuck in. And 1 garlic naan. Both tandoori rotis have been eaten. I usually like to order tandoori roti to scoop up the curries, and I've nearly done it with 2 tandoori rotis. I've just got this little bit of chickpea Balti left that I've got to resort to using the spoon with, so not bad. So here we are, just over 5,000 or 6,000 calories more. My friend's struggling a little bit on the kebab, so tiny little bit on the salty side, but nothing really to complain about at all. It was Madras hot, what I requested. Could have done with being a tiny little bit hotter, but not a problem at all. My mate's really enjoyed most of his kebab. I think the lamb here was a little bit dry, and same with the fish, but the rest of it was delicious. But thoroughly recommendable. Really decent food. It's nice to be back after about a year, so highly recommendable. Finally, the bill. Not bad.